This monthly loop I'm talking about turns auto repair shop marketing from a hobby into a machine. And without it, even the best strategies will fade. But with it, everything's going to compound: your Google business profile, your content, your AI based searches, all of it. And you're going to eventually own every auto repair shop near me. And that's going to be the win. All right. So those 7 strategies. Number 1, Google business profile weekly optimization. Number 2, thicker, more human content on your website. Now, I prefer at least 1,200 words or more. I've heard people go as low as 800, but 1,200 or more is where I see the best results right now.